Hey guys, Brad here with Custom Offsets. Got another episode of Lifts and Levels. This one's going to be a 6-inch super lift for the 99 to 06 half-ton GM Torsion Bar truck.
Custom Offsets, team stances, the team on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game.
So this is going to be a torsion bar drop lift. Some of the guys out there like these lifts, but the new way seems to be a no torsion drop. But this is going to be a torsion drop lift. Like I said, Superlift. What Superlift does is they have the option, which is nice, to upgrade to Bilstein shocks for most of their kits. So their base shocks are their Super Ride shocks, but you can upgrade to Bilsteins. Bilstein, of course, is a really nice quality shock, so that's a nice little upgrade that you can do on all the Superlift kits. You got your lower control arm cross members here. You can see right away they come with a really glossy, high gloss black finish, powder coat of course. This is going to be the lower control arm drop cross members. And then of course you got one of the key features is going to be the new lift knuckles, which are there to correct your ball joint angles. And then as well, you're going to drop the front differential down. You got one of your front diff drops here. And then we got our differential brackets here, which are going to be bolt onto the front differential, and they're actually going to tie into the cross member here to keep everything braced. All right guys, we got the Superlift 6-inch installed on this truck here, and we're just going to run through the components of the kit once they're installed in the truck. First thing first, we got the new knuckles here, which are obviously... Brett! I didn't see, I was looking at the truck. The new knuckles here, which is what's going to raise your ball joint mount location and give you the proper ball joint angle. Of course, the truck is up in the air right now. The suspension is at full droop. So it's actually even hitting on the droop stop. Once the truck's on the ground, it'll level out though, and it will be all good to go there. Superlift gives you these nice, actually they're really nice machined spacers here for the CV axle angle, because of course with the new knuckle design, the track width is increased to maintain turning radius, and therefore you have to basically space out the CV axles, so that's what the spacers are for. We got these nice new sway bar end links. Mason's actually really jealous of these because his McGoy's ones are Bilstein shocks, front and rear 5100 series. Bilsteins are a nice quality shock, which is really nice that Superlift does that. Got the drop cross members here, the lower control arms, the front, rear, and then they got the skid plate that ties the two together. Another nice thing they do is they give you this nice brace for the front differential, which ties into the cross member as well to keep everything nice and rigid in there. For the sorry, there's debris on the ground. Here's the front differential drops, as you can see, to keep the CV axle angles happy. Once the truck's on the ground, it will be very close to factory. And then this is going to be a torsion bar drop system like we mentioned before, so it keeps the torsion bars in the factory location in the control arm here, but drops where they mount in the rear. A lot of kits doing that, but it seems like the new way is to do a non-torsion drop system. Some guys actually prefer it this way because they like the look of the torsion bar. And then around the back, nothing special here, just the blocks in the back. Superlift actually has you stack the blocks for this kit. They give you the smaller block, and you reuse the factory block, and then new U-bolts and nuts all around, and as well as the Bilstein shocks in the rear. We actually had to flip them because the exhaust is in the way, because this truck has a really custom exhaust, you would say. But yeah, so that's why the shocks are like that in the back. Bilstein says you can run them either way, so we're gonna go with that way. That's pretty much gonna wrap it up on this one. Like I said, this is the Superlift 6-inch for 99 to 06 GM half-ton trucks, so the classic body style torsion bar trucks, 6-inch Superlift.